Alright, I live on Bowman Avenue, which is one block, well literally there's Northern Avenue right there, and the steel factory is just beyond that, and some sort of massive accident or explosion must have just happened. There, I mean, you can feel the concussions through the ground, like in the house. I don't know what's going on. See, all the neighbors are out. Oh my goodness. I hope everybody's okay in there. That sounded like a pretty serious series of explosions. Wow.
So, this
maybe even I know there's a railway that goes through there, so maybe a train car accident? I don't know. I can hear things continually going off, almost like rail cars slamming. Wow.
Be careful.
It's crazy.
Well,
Down here. Jeez. That is crazy. Oh man, you can still feel the explosions going on. Wow. If I can zoom in. Yeah, I actually have a YouTube channel. Wow. Okay, looks like the smoke might be slightly dissipating. Jeez, that's crazy.
my phone's dead.
Alright, well,
Everybody film it.
if there's any additional explosions, I'll turn the camera back on.
Oh, guys, no.